What's up, beautiful people? It's another edition of Victor Isibo Reviews. Here we are in the business of updating and upgrading all our viewers and subscribers. Every video I make here, there is something for you to learn, be it making money or growing spiritually or upgrading your career status. You're in the right place. So if this is something that you find interesting, getting informed about everything that you need to upgrade your life, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon, put it on all. That is how you get notifications when I do another video. To my returning subscribers and viewers, salute. It's a pleasure having you back on this channel. Now, there are lots of crypto scams out there, cryptocurrency scams out there. Yeah, we know that cryptocurrency is the future of money and that cryptocurrency is going to replace fiat money. But at the same time, we've got to be careful with how we approach cryptocurrency investments, okay? Because there is the risk of you losing your money. Now, guys, there are so many scams out there, crypto mining. Some people will say, we are mining crypto, but you need to buy a hardware. Now, you pay for a hardware, you don't know where the hardware is, but all you do is you get return on investment. Most of such arrangements are Ponzi schemes. You say most of such arrangements are Ponzi schemes. So if you have heard about ICO, initial coin offer or initial coin offering, they call it airdrops. Okay, so airdrops are actually a fantastic way for you to earn crypto for free. You know, almost risk free. You earn cryptocurrency for free. So you're going to be following the updates from crypto enthusiasts and experts about what they are saying about that particular coin. If it's a coin that has the potential for massive growth, then the best time to enter is via the airdrop because it is cheap. That is why I bring to you today Pi. So this is a Pi. This is a cryptocurrency that, was founded and created by professors from Stanford University. And now this coin has been gathering momentum for a very long time, since 2019, and it has experienced exponential growth. Right now, over 23 million people are mining this coin for free on their laptops and their mobile phones everywhere. This is not like all those people that will say, hey, we have a minting or a mining hardware. Where is it? Why can I not pay for that hardware and have it installed on my device? That is how I'm going to know that it is true. It is real. So this Pi is gathering momentum. And this is almost, it's been almost 2 years. It's been gathering momentum and we're hearing stuff about how it is going to grow. Okay. So the white paper shows that they are in stage 2. They're in stage 2 of their evolvement. They're still evolving with the coin. So at the moment right now, it's not listed on any exchanges, but you can see that the coin market capitalization talks about it. Yes, coin market capitalization talks about it. Coinmarketcap.com, coingecko.com, crypto enthusiasts, crypto experts, crypto websites, they're talking about this coin and that is going to pump by the time the coin is fully launched on exchanges. You are going to become multimillionaires if this coin does well. And from all indications, from what experts are saying, if what they're saying is anything to follow, then, it's a coin that is going to do well and make a lot of people rich. Now, there is a link in the description below of how you can get this Picoin mining app on your phone. So I'll leave it in the link below, in the description below, and I'll also leave it in the pinned comments, okay, how you can start mining Pi for free on your mobile device. Now, there are 2 things you need to do to start mining Pi for free. Step number 1, look in the description of this video or look in the pinned comment of this video and follow through with that very brief process. And once you're done, congratulations, you can start mining Pi for free. Now, step number 2 is every day, make sure within 24 hours, open your Pi app and just click on mine so that you can start acquiring this cryptocurrency. And by the time it is listed and the coin does well, boom, you could become a millionaire overnight. Now, it's not everybody you see who was poor yesterday and became rich today that did scam or did rituals. No, some people build the foundation of their wealth gradually over the years. While you're sleeping, they're making smart moves, and when their smart move pays off, many people will be like, oh, how did it happen? Okay, this is how it happens, guys. This pie is gathering a lot of momentum. So what have you got to lose? Nothing. It is free of charge. So keep acquiring as much pie as you can while we await the stage 3 of their white paper. Okay? I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, give it a like, share it with everybody who needs to see this information. Subscribe to this channel if you love videos like this. Till I see you in the next one, I remain Victor Esibo. It is bye for now.